Uh, ever, find yourself gripped by an action scene, um, to have it suddenly stop? You know, it's a frustrating experience, isn't it? In 2025, anime fans were treated to back-to-back blockbuster releases. Uh, but one soared while the other stumbled, broke box office records, but also drew criticism as a criticism has a incredible problem, meanwhile quietly won over audiences with its tight storytelling. Um, Both films showcased stunning animation. Um, Ufotable's work on was breathtaking, bringing the characters' braving techniques to life with vibrant color. However, beautiful visuals can only carry a film so far. Suffered from a fatal flaw. Pacing. The film repeatedly interrupted intense battles with flashbacks and internal monologues. Killing momentum would uh, consider Shinobu Kocho's fight with Doma just as the battle reached its peak. The film paused for an extended flashback about her sister. Uh, while tragic, it disrupted the flow and lessened the impact. Similarly, Tanjiro's memories during his fight with Akaza, though intended to justify his victory, felt drawn out and jarring. The problem isn't flashbacks themselves, but their placement is a often interrupted battles mid-action. Uh, in contrast, Akaza's backstory was revealed after the main conflict, uh, providing a breather and adding emotional weight. This contrast highlights a key difference in storytelling approach. Uh, in this principle, uh, from the beginning, the series has maintained a bleak, unforgiving tone, and it was it. Characters rarely dwell on loss or sentimentality, and this created a unique space for Denji's hopeful search for love, making his connection with Reze all the more compelling. Um, Reze remains an enigma throughout much of the film. We learn little about her past. So, unlike the extended backstories in Fizikova, uh, trust the audience to connect with uh, Reze through her actions and interactions rather than exposition. When Reze's fate is sealed, the impact is devastating. We haven't had time to fully understand her, making her loss feel raw and immediate. And the realization that she might have chosen a peaceful life with Denji adds another layer of tragedy, uh, deepening the emotional core of the film, and felt complete a self-contained story uh, with enough intrigue to leave viewers wanting more. Uh, it wasn't just a cash grab capitalizing on the anime film trend. It was a carefully crafted narrative that prioritized pacing and emotional impact. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes less really is more. Um, and honestly, if demons are your problem, maybe try a good therapist instead of a sword. Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,